Alright, so I asked for people's opinion on the Dale Earnhardt Good Wrench train. I was told good things, thank you. A lot of people said sit it on your bench, put it on a shelf. It's not a great runner, it's not a great puller. The rolling stock falls apart. Well, I can tell you, I took this in the next step, right? So, I don't have it in front of me now, but I actually have a PRR identical to this. I think this is a GP38-2 as per Google. Sorry, I'm a trained noob. I don't know models and everything. But it actually has metal rails. These are plastic. I'm contemplating, and make it to it, is pop these all off. And then I will take the metal rails off and drill little holes to make them fit correctly. But of course, I got to paint them red, though. That's the thing, because it's got to fit this scheme. Okay? Anyway, so this is where I went with this locomotive. Engine driver, yes, but what did I do? Also went sound. Okay. So, let's go ahead. So, cab light is on. Let's hit the button. Off. On. So that works. We got bell. Horn. Other buttons. I gotta go through and figure out what they are. Anyway, let's go ahead and take the next step. I dry wired it, had it correct, and when I soldered it, I undid some wires and I did it wrong. So forward's reverse, reverse is forward. Of course, there's a CV for me to flip. That's not a big deal. So we will go reverse to go forward. Okay, we'll go forward. And then she goes. Not bad at all. Let's go forward. I'm happy with the install. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. There we go. A little bit of hot glue to keep stuff kind of in place where I want it. And all the wires, shrink tubing. So, not a bad job in my opinion. I like it and I'm happy.